Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial we'll be learning how to draft the 720 degree flea. We all know that a cycle is equals to 360. So for us to have 720 we will need two of these cycles. We will need two of it to give us 720. And then what we also need to note that in order to join these two together, we need 1 inch on both sides for seam allowance, 1 inch on both sides for seam allowance, and 1/2 inch here and 1/2 inch here, which is 1 inch for seam allowance. So let's say the waist we are using is 26. So 26 plus this 3 extra inch for seam allowance is going to give us 29. So we are going to divide this 29. This is our waist circumference, 26 plus this 3 inch for seam allowance, which is 29. So since we are going to be making two of this and we don't want to pleat, so what we are going to do is to divide the waist circumference by 2, which will now give us 14.5. So the next thing now is to get our radius. Remember back in school, circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference over 2 pi r will give us our radius. So what we need to do is just to impute it. Where our circumference is, this is our circumference now. It's 14.5, and then 2 pi, it's 2 times 22 all over 7, which is 6.28. And when you divide 14.5 by 6.28, it's going to give us 2.3. Okay, let's say 2.3. Let's leave the ones at the back. 2.3. But measuring this thing on taking note of this thing on our tape, it's like a kind of going to be an issue. So the best thing I think for us to do is to take it to the nearest quarter. Now if I decide to say 2 points, that's 2.5, it's the extra inch that will be added will be like much. So I think I will go with 2.25. The difference is not much. See, if I round it up, I will have 2.3. So I will go with 2.25. That's 2 1/4. So this is our radius. So the next thing that we need to do is to get the exact inch we need to cut out from our fabric. Let's say the length of the flay is 7. We want the length of the flay to be 7. Then we have to add 1 inch seam allowance for the upper part and the down part of the flay. That's for the seam allowance, which is 8. So what we need to do is to add the length to the radius. And if we add the length to the radius, it will be 8 plus 2.25. 8 plus 2.25, which is going to give us that's 10.25. So we'll go ahead to multiply it by 2. That's 10.25 times 2. We'll be having 20.5, which is also approximately 21 inches. When we approximate this 20.5, we'll be left with we'll have 21 inches. So that's what we need to cut out from our fabric. Let's say this is the fabric that we are using. So what we need to cut out is 21 inches from here to here. I hope you can see it. From here to here, we measure 21. From here to here, we measure 21. From here to here, we measure 21. can see it. So this side is just what we need to, you know, cut out our flame, to get our flame. This is just the part we need. We don't need this part. This will help you to prevent wasting of, you know, unnecessary wastage of fabric. So I'll go ahead and cut out this part. So as you can see, this is just what we need to get our flame. What we need to do is to fold them into equal parts. So after folding it, you also go ahead and fold it like this. So the next is to take the measurements. That's the radius and then the length. So remember that the radius that we are using is 2.25. So I'm going to mark 2.25. So I'm going to mark 2.25. That's 2¼ . So after that, I'll go ahead and connect. Then the length we are using is 7. So I'll go ahead and connect it. Then the next thing is to add the seam allowance. So I'm going to add half inch seam allowance here and half inch seam allowance here. Make sure when tracing it on your fabric, you trace it properly. So we are done. So the next is to go ahead and cut. see it. So we'll go ahead and open. So this is just one part of it. Remember that we actually need two of this. So this is just one part of it. So what you need to do is to, you know, fold it. You can decide to fold it. Fold it, place it on your fabric, you know, fold your fabric, place it, and then make sure you trace it properly, and then cut out. So you follow those line, or you can go over, take your measurements again, however you want to do it, but make sure that you cut two of this, So I'll go ahead and also get the second of this. So as you can see, this is the second of this. This is the second of, you see, it's the same. It's the same. So I'll go ahead and open it up. So what you need to do is to attach this to this. I'll get my office pin and do that. Now this, I'll attach this to this. So I've attached the two plates together. You can see how it is. You can see how it is. So that's that. I hope you find this tutorial educative. Please, if you find it educative, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends. So till I come your way next time, thank you. Bye bye.